This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility so you won't waste time on incompatible formats. Open Blender and set units to match the target app, then import the base avatar. Once done, check the skeleton hierarchy and scale because mismatches break animations. Make sure you have the male mesh file and any texture maps ready. You'll also back up the original avatar before changes. This prevents loss and lets you compare proportions later, which is crucial for consistent rigging and skin weights. You now import the male mesh and align it precisely to the base skeleton so deformation behaves correctly. Once aligned, choose automated weight transfer to speed up initial binding, then refine manually, focusing on shoulders, hips, and knees because those are error-prone. Use mirror weight painting to save time. After skinning, retarget or assign existing animations and run test cycles, walk, idle, and T-pose checks to confirm joint rotations and cloth intersections. You finish by applying materials and baking maps to ensure consistent shading across platforms. Once textures look correct in Blender's viewport, export with the target app's recommended settings including axis conversion and LODs. Then import into the game or social platform and run a full test, animations, physics, and lighting. If you encounter seams or missing textures, try rebaking at a higher resolution, recheck UV seams, and confirm texture paths. That single troubleshooting step resolves most visual issues quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.